ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Moto Unboxing. On today's episode, we got something very exciting from a brand called Auxito. And as you know, I'm a huge proponent of carrying your own pump and plug kit and being self-sufficient on the bike. That way you're not relying on anybody else in case there is a flat. I'm still shocked how many people rely on gas stations or bicycle pumps or huge like plug-in pumps to or their friends' pumps to deal with their flat tires and topping off. Because as you know, tire pressure on a motorcycle is crucial and something that should be checked every few days, every few rides, and not every few months when you come across a pump. That's where Auxito comes in. And they so kindly sent me these two pumps right here to unbox, preview, review, and compare for you guys. So what we got here are two smart pumps. This is A501 and A301. And essentially, they're very similar except for the size, except this one is a little bit of a bigger battery. It's 7,800 milliamps, and this one is 52. However, this one is a little bit more accurate, or a lot more accurate. This one is accurate to within 1 PSI, and this one is accurate within 1/10 of a PSI. And it has some cute RGB and all sorts of things, but enough of that. Let's just jump in, unbox them, check out what's inside the packages, and then we're gonna go outside and pump up the bike and see how they compare next to each other. All right, so we will start with the little boy, with the 301. The packaging is great. And I've had so many pumps over the years that I can now tell the quality of the product before I even unbox it, before I even open it up. And right away, you could tell from the packaging that this will be a solid product. And I can tell that it's more than likely made out of metal. So the box is nice, beautiful. Let's see what we got inside. All right, okay, so we got a little cover. So let's put that in there. Boom, and that's, ooh, there we go. The bag comes right off. Ooh, there we go. There we go. That's the party piece. Beautiful. Nice. Let's examine it in a second. Put away this. Then we got the instruction manual, which should probably be pretty self-explanatory. If you can't figure out a pump, then you're in trouble. And then we got another little box. Boom. So we got our hose. Then we got our Presta shredder. Then we got this little also attachment. Then we got one for balls and another one for balls, for beach balls and for other balls. All sorts of balls can be inflated with this. Then we got a cute little carrying pouch. I kind of wish it said the name of the brand here, but we can't have it all. All right, so there's a thing. Cute. Let's put all this away. This will go straight into the pouch. Ooh, there we go. I'm actually I was gonna keep it all in the bag, but I guess the pieces are out of the bag. All right. So we'll put it back in the pouch here. And this is our little charging cable, USB-C. Another thing to mention, that this one takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge. This one takes around 4 hours to charge. So, beautiful. Let's set this aside. Just like so. Very nice. All right, so what do we got here? Peel off before use. Ta-da! Very nice. Ooh, shiny, glossy. I dig it. I dig it. And obviously, this acts as a flashlight and as a charging battery. All right, so we turn it on. Hold. On. Boom, boom. The battery is orange, so it does need a little bit of charging. So this button here changes the modes. It also has 4 different values for pressure measurement, and obviously I'm using PSI. Okay, so there we go. So you dial in the pressure with these. These obviously changes your modes. I would imagine if you hold it down, that's when you change the bars and the other things. PSI is what we need. So 35. Let's see, the rear is like 37. So boom, and that's the light. That's the flashing function. That's the red panic, and that's the regular. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna guess this is nice and easy. I kind of like this because a lot of these pumps, you have to actually screw this part in, like over and over and over. But this, look, there's a little notch and it lines up, boop, and we're in. That is actually super smart. All right, okay, so that's numero uno. And I'm gonna put the pump, put the bag over here, just like so. Let's turn this baby off. And now let's unbox the second one and see what we got. So this one is the A301. This is the A501. Boop. The box, once again, it's a little bit heavier, a little bit bigger. Solid. We got some tips over here. Adorable. Another shop manual. Adorable. Toss that in there. Ooh, beautiful. So let's get the party piece out first. The box is so solid. I just love these boxes. I might actually hold on to these. These might actually be some good boxes. All right, so before we get to the party piece, let's actually unbox the accessories. So let's open the box and pull everything out. Boom. Interesting. Okay, so what we have here. This is a little piece from here. So this we don't need. Okay, set this aside. We got obviously the ball pump, the shredder, the beach ball. Okay, then this right here, curious little thing. I'm not exactly sure what this orange thing is for. Interesting. Interesting. All right, so obviously this is your USB-C charging cable. Also no branding, which is curious. I would put a brand name on there. So this right here is essentially useless because not many cars have cigarette adapters anymore, nor will I charge it like this. But you know what? In a pinch, this could be handy. This could be handy. Let's set this aside and pull out the party piece. Ta-da! Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. All right, as always, you gotta peel off some things. Long press to turn it on and off, increase the pressure, decrease the pressure, lights, switch this, got it. Pretty much the same order of operation. Ta-da! Beautiful. All right, so let's turn this baby on. So, power. Ooh, the RGB, the color. Look at that. That is adorable. Ooh, cute colors. I like it. Big fan. Big fan. So once again, you hold this down to switch from PSI to bar. This right here. kPa or kilograms per centimeters or something rather. Okay, so this is my presets. So we got car, motorcycle or bicycle, motorcycle, and then ball. Okay, we'll go to motorcycle. And then we set it to 37. Very cool. And then we, ooh, yeah. And obviously not to mention, since this pump is a little bit bigger, it actually pumps up quicker, you know? It's not surprising. However, what's interesting, this one comes with the slidey thing, and this one is the regular screw-in. That is a curious choice they made, because I was really, really into the thing. All right, okay. Beautiful. These are beautiful, beautiful things. All right, so we got the light, and this light is 400 lumens. This light is actually a lot brighter. Too many crickets. All right, so then we got the panic light, quicker panic light, and off. Very cool, very cool. Okay, so that's them boys. And like I said, this one is interesting. You can charge via USB, USB-C, or DC from the car. And obviously this also works as a battery for your other devices in the pinch. Very cool. All right, let's turn both of them on. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna actually charge this baby up a little bit. This one is at 100%. This one needs a little bit of charge. And then I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna compare them on pumping some tires. So this is what they look like in their pouches. And they weigh surprisingly about the same. This one is 501, is a little bit heavier, I guess, but obviously this one is more appropriate for a car and this one is more appropriate for a motorcycle. All right, ladies and gents, we're out by the bikes and let's do a little comparison test. We got the 301 here, we got the 501 here, the bigger boy, and I deflated both my tires to 27 psi. They're identical size, and we're gonna pump them up to 37 psi, and let's see how long it takes. So I'm gonna start them up at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna guess the left one is gonna get there a lot faster because it's much bigger. $37, and it looks like it lost 11 points on the battery. Interesting. So this one, we're only at 31.5. Much longer. But when you're on the road, this is better. Ooh, chicken strips, eh? And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Done. All right, so that took a little longer, but it got the job done. Honestly, I almost prefer the little guy just because it's smaller in shape, and it also has the handy little feature that I really dig. This, boop, look at that, just removes. Perfect. All right, well, can't go wrong with either one of these. Click on a link below to get one of your own. And thank you so much. Everybody ride safe now.